Stop guessing over FPS. Let's set up MSI Afterburner right now and get real-time stats glowing on our screen in under 5 minutes. Open up Chrome and search MSI Afterburner. Select the official site and select Final and Download. Select the folder icon, right-click on the downloaded file and select Extract All and select Extract. Once extract done, double-click on the application. Uncheck this Northern 360 for Gamer and select Install. Select Yes. OK. Next. Accept and select Next. Make sure this RivaTuner status server is checked and select Next. Uncheck Show README in RivaTuner and select Finish. Check mark this on MSI Afterburner and select Finish option. And go to Settings and go to Monitoring tab. In this graph, you need to uncheck all options. Once you're done, you need to check my video description for these 8 things you need in graph. So you wonder that what this means GPU1 and GPU2. Open Task Manager and go to Performance. And here you can able to see GPU0 and GPU1. In my case, the GPU1 is the one I needed in the graph. So minimize this. GPU1 you say check mark. GPU1 scroll down, temperature. GPU1 temperature, GPU1 usage, and now scroll down, CPU1 temperature. So CPU1 temperature, it's wrong. Don't check this, just scroll down. Under CPU32 temperature, you can able to see CPU temperature. Just check mark this and use your keyboard to find this RAM usage and frame rate of frame rate average, frame rate minimum, and then select all the things we checked. Hold the control key to select all. Once you select all the options, select show in on-screen display. These options will shown in OSD. And once this done, click on apply and OK for save changes. And now you can close this MSI Afterburner and go to search menu and type RivaTuner. Click on open the app. Click on the system tray and you can able to see RivaTuner status server. Right click and select show. Turn on this start with Windows and minimize this. Make sure the RivaTuner status server is running in the background and MSI Afterburner. Make sure this is also running in the background. And both are running. Now you can start the game. And that's it. GPU, CPU, RAM, frame rate, all of it now showing right on our screen. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.